Hello guys, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Based on popular demand on reel that I posted on Friday on how happy I was to receive call that the goodies my sister sent to me all the way from Calabar has arrived Castina Park. People reach out to me that please want to see the goodies your sister sent to you. I said no problem, I'll show you the goodies, the content, but I will not share the content with you. We are laughing. So today video I'll be showing you the content of the package my sister sent to me all the way from Calabar. Why I'm so excited? Because what is inside is my native food, which is very scarce down here in Castina, because some of the things she sent to me is very expensive here and scarce here. Like the snail, I opened the first sack, it was snail inside. The snail is so big and still very fresh and alive. I was so shocked because she just told me I'll give you what I can gather, but it's plenty. It's almost like half of that bag, the snail inside. I was expecting like 10 or 20 snail. This snail is very expensive in Katsina here, because if you want to buy it, one snail I was told is 1,000 naira. At most, depending on the size, it will be given to you 3 for 2,000. And this is something that is expensive, quite alright in other location, but it's more expensive here. At least with your 3,000 you can get like up to like 10 snail in other places, depend on the size. But here the snail is scarce and expensive, so my sister helped me like, don't worry, we'll see how we can do it. We'll gather the snail, they will send to you. After gathering the snail, no car to transport it down to Castina. Thanks to a driver that offer help hand to us, that he will help us send you to Abuja. From Abuja he will wheel it down to Katsina for me, and that is what he did. God bless him. If not, this snail I will just be seeing it via video, but it will not reach me. I tried to open the second. In fact, I opened the second bag. What is inside? I'm speechless at that moment. I was like, what was in my sister's mind that she was gathering all these things for me? I only asked, please just send, let me just feel a little bit of home, just send those our local food to me. I saw plantain was inside the bag. This plantain I went to buy, that was around May, is it May, June? And the man that was selling the plantain told me 2 plantain for 1,000. I was like, 2 plantain for 1,000 for what, Kwani? He said, because you customer, I'll give you 3 for 1,000. And if you even see the plantain, it's not like it's fresh like this one I'm bringing out to, as if he's suffering from kwashiorkor, as in very very tired plantain. I was like, so I give up. I don't want to eat the plantain again. That's how I left the man's place. And I was disturbing my sister. I said, please, anyhow you want to do it, do it. I need that plantain. I need those local food. That's how my sister gathered plantain, gathered corn. You can see the corn. I'll also show you what I made. I prepared with the corn, and what I prepared with the plantain. And the inside again is breadfruit. We call it okwa. Some part of the states, part of the country have it in their place, but they don't eat it. Like my sister's place at Obudu side, they don't really see it as food. Unlike my side, my native side, the Igbo side, precisely, they will value it, and it's one of the most expensive food in my place. So the second, bringing out things inside the sack, I saw leather. I said, what will be inside this leather? When I open it, this one shocked me again. It was obolo. I saw obolo. I was not even expecting the obolo. It's almost like half penta of obolo for inside, half penta. And the bread, I came back to the breadfruit, because the breadfruit is giving me joy. If you know the joy this breadfruit is giving me, it's giving me joy, because the breadfruit, once I have it, a lot of food, like there is food at home, because the breadfruit you can fry it, you can cook it porridge, can make porridge with it. I just pick into my snail. I like this snail. Oh, no problem. I'll show you how I remove the shell of the snail, how I remove the back of this breadfruit, and also what I prepared with the corn. Please do follow my YouTube channel so you'll be seeing all this video I'll be uploading on how I prepare all those things. Also follow my Facebook page because I'll be uploading the video for you to see. I have to separate the snail from the bags to allow it to have some air so it will not die, because like 3 or 4 snails died inside the sack because of it. So I have to bring it out so it will have some air so it will not die. Also put their food inside. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you stay back and watch the next video I'll be uploading on how I prepare okpa oka.